Morning students. In previous class, I have I had taught I have taught by LCM and HCF. The HCF of two or more given numbers is the greatest of all the common factors. And I had also learned in previous class that there are two methods for finding HCF, division method and factor tree method. Also by continued division method. To get LCM of the given numbers, two or more numbers, is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of the given numbers. So there are three methods to find the LCM of the given numbers. First method is called common multiple method. Second method, prime factorization method. Third method, common division method. So there are three methods to find LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest number which is multiple of each of the given numbers. Definition of LCM is lowest common multiple, abbreviated as LCM, lowest common multiple, LCM. The LCM of two or more given numbers lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is multiple of the given numbers. दी गई संख्याओं का महत्तम समावर्त उसके गुणजों में सबसे छोटी संख्या होती है. द लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ टू और मोर नंबर्स, दो या दो से अधिक संख्याओं का लघुत्तम समावर्त वह छोटी सी छोटी संख्या है जो दी हुई संख्याओं में का मल्टीपल गुणज होती है. So there are three methods to find the LCM of given numbers. Here example LCM of 12 and 8 and 12. Example 8 and 12. To find LCM of 8 and 12, first of all, we write the multiple of 8 and write multiples of 12. Multiples of 8 are 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. And multiples of 12. multiples of 12 is equal to multiples of 12 into 12, 24, 25, multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84. Now we get the common multiples of 8 and 12 are common multiples of 8 and 12. 8 and 12 is equal to 24, 24, 48, 72, 72. Other multiples may be possible. Common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, 48, 72 and all. Now we find the smallest multiple of the given numbers. Lowest common multiple of 8 and 12 is lowest common multiple of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Therefore LCM is equal to, hence LCM is equal to 24. So LCM is the lowest common multiple of the given number. Again, I am going to describe the lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is multiple of the given numbers. दो या दो से अधिक संख्याओं का लघुत्तम समावर्त वह छोटी सी छोटी संख्या होती है जो दी हुई संख्याओं का गुणज होता है. Here I solved LCM of 8 and 12. Examples of 8 and 12. First of all, multiples of 8. We write multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 are 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 54, 56, 64, 72 and so on. And multiples of 12 is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. Now we get common multiples of 8 and 12. So here we see that common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, 48 and 72. Then lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. यहाँ पर उभयनिष्ठ गुणज 24, 48, 72 है. अब इसमें 24 ये तीनों गुणजों में सबसे छोटी संख्या 24 है, अतः लघुत्तम बराबर 24. Lowest common multiple. Now we know that how many methods are to find the LCM of the given numbers. There are three methods. There are three methods. There are three methods to find LCM of the given number. LCM. First method is called common multiple method. common multiple method. Second method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. And third method is called common multiple method, common division method. Common division method. The given example is solved by common multiple method. There are three methods to find the LCM. First method is called common multiple method, and second method is called prime factorization method. Third method is called common division method. So first method, I have solved example by first method, and now we describe prime factorization method to find LCM of the given numbers. Material. Common multiple method. I am going to find LCM by common multiple method. To find LCM of 4, 5, 10, to find LCM of 4, 5, 10. To find LCM of 4, 5, 10, first of all we find we write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 is equal to 4, and multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 20. Now we find the common multiples of 4, 5, 10. Common multiples of 4, 5, 10 are these 5, 7, 8, Common multiples of 4, 5, 10. Common multiples of 4, 5, 10 are here. The number digit written in circle are common multiples of 4, 5, 10, 20, 40, 60. Here we see that 20, 40, 60 are in multiples of 4, 5, 10. Common multiples of 4, 5, 10 are 20, 40, 60, dot, dot, dot. Other number may be possible. Now lowest common multiple, hence LCM is equal to 20, because 20 is the lowest common multiple of 4, 5, 10. So by common multiple method we can solve the LCM of the given number. And second method is prime factorization method. To find LCM by prime factorization method, first of all we write the prime factorization of the numbers, and after that product of all the different prime factors occurring maximum number of times in any number is called the LCM of the given numbers. First of all, write prime factorization of each of the given numbers. So second number example, method 2, prime factorization method. Method 2, by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, find the LCM of method, find the LCM of 18, 24 and 36. 18, 24 and 36. We are given three numbers which have to find the LCM. So first of all, we find the prime factorization of each of the given number and express each of them as a product of its prime factors. First of all, step 1, write the prime factorization as a product of its prime factors. So prime factorization of 18, prime factorization of 18, 18 का अभाज्य गुणनखंड will be 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3, and prime factorization of 24, prime factorization of 24 is equal to 2 गुना 2 गुना 2 गुना 3. We write as a product of prime factors, and prime factorization of 36. Prime factorization of 36 इक्वल टू 2 गुना 2 गुना 4 किया 12 किया 36. Prime factoration of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factoration of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and prime factoration of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here maximum number of 2 occurs in 24 is equal to maximum number of 2 occurs in 24 is equal to 3 times, and maximum number of 3 occurs in 18 and 34 is equal to 3 into 3. 3 into 3. So the SCF is equal to, here we write LCM is equal to, therefore LCM is equal to product of all the different prime factors, product of all the prime factors, product of all the prime factors occurring maximum times, occurring maximum times in any number, maximum number of times in any number. Here 2 occurs 3 times in 24 and 2 occurs 2 times in 18 and 36. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The product will be 72. So the required LCM will be 72. Required number of times is equal to 72. According to method 2, if you are given 3 numbers and you have to find the prime LCM by prime factoration method, first of all we write the factors of the given numbers as their product, and after that product of all the prime factors occurring maximum number of times in any number. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, दी हुई संख्याओं का अभाज्य गुणनखंड लिखेंगे. उसके बाद फर्स्ट स्टेप में और सेकंड स्टेप में हम ये देखेंगे जो सबसे अधिक बार कौन सा डिजिट किस संख्या में आया उसको लिख लेंगे. उसके बाद फिर देखेंगे जो और कौन ऐसी संख्या है जो कि अधिकतम बार ये प्रोडक्ट के रूप में आया है. तो यहाँ 3 2 बार आया है और 2 3 बार आया है, इसलिए एलसीएम विल बी 2 into 2 into 2. Maximum number of times occurs 2 and maximum number of times occurs 3. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 72. LCM बराबर. So I have described 2 methods to find the LCM of the given numbers. First method, common multiple method, and second method I have talked by prime factoration method. In next class I will talk to you common division method. Thank you.